Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word ahead. This word is very useful and easy to understand. Let's begin our exciting journey together. Ahead is a simple word. It means something is in front of you. When we say ahead, we talk about what comes before us. It can be a place, a time, or a position. Imagine you are running with your friends. If you are ahead, you are in front of everyone else. You are leading the race. Being ahead means you are first. When you drive on a road, you look ahead. This means you look forward. You see what is coming before you. The road ahead shows you where you are going. Ahead also means forward direction. If someone tells you to go ahead, they mean move forward. Keep going in the direction you are facing. Think about standing in a line. The person ahead of you is standing before you. They will get their turn first. You will follow after them. On the road, one car can be ahead of another. The car in front is ahead. It reaches the destination first. The other cars follow behind. Ahead can also mean time. Something ahead in time has not happened yet. It is in the future. We can plan for what is ahead. Planning ahead means thinking about the future. You prepare for what will come. You make plans before things happen. This helps you stay ready. When we say ahead in time, we mean before something happens. If your birthday is ahead, it is coming soon. It has not arrived yet, but it will. In a race, the person ahead is winning. They are in front of all the other runners. They are closer to the finish line. They might win the race. Being ahead of schedule means finishing early. You complete your work before the deadline. You are faster than expected. This is a good thing. Thinking ahead means planning for the future. You imagine what might happen. You prepare yourself. Smart people always think ahead. At work, being ahead means you finish tasks early. You complete your job before others. You are productive and efficient. Your boss will be happy. Being ahead of others means you are better or faster. You learn more quickly. You understand things first. You are a leader. In learning, being ahead means you know more. You study well and understand lessons fast. You are a good student. Keep learning and stay ahead. Technology moves ahead every day. New inventions come. Better machines are made. The world becomes more advanced. We progress forward. Ahead in life means moving forward. You grow and improve. You achieve your goals. You become successful. Life is a journey ahead. The future is always ahead of us. It has not happened yet. We cannot see it, but we can prepare. The future holds many possibilities. Being ahead of the curve means you are better than others. You do things before they become popular. You are smart and quick. You lead the way. Moving ahead means making progress. You do not stay in one place. You keep going forward. You improve yourself every day. To stay ahead, you must work hard. Keep learning new things. Be prepared for challenges. Never stop moving forward. Success comes to those who stay ahead. Always look ahead in life. Do not focus only on the past. Think about your future. Plan your next steps. Looking ahead helps you succeed. Ahead means progress. When you move ahead, you improve. You become better than before. Progress is important for growth. In sports, being ahead means you are winning. Your team has more points. You are closer to victory. Keep playing well to stay ahead. In traffic, the road ahead shows where you will go. You follow the path in front. You drive forward carefully. Always watch the road ahead. Life is a journey. The path ahead is your future. Keep moving forward with hope. Believe in yourself. Your journey ahead will be wonderful. Ahead means success. When you are ahead, you achieve your goals. You win and feel proud. Success comes to those who move ahead. Wordscience helps you learn new words. We make learning fun and easy. Stay with us to learn more. Keep moving ahead with Wordscience. Now you understand the word ahead. It means in front, forward, and in the future. Use this word in your daily life. Remember what you learned today. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Keep practicing and stay ahead in your learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep moving forward.